cat heard that the birds in the aviary were yelling, so she thought up a plan to feed on those birds. She disguised herself up as a doctor and taking with her a set of the instruments proper to her profession, presented herself at the door and went towards the cage of birds. "How are you, little birds?" she asked. "I heard that a certain disease is ailing you." "Yes, we are sick," replied the birds. "Fine, open the door of the cage so I can diagnose you and give you medicines accordingly." "We shall do very well," the birds replied, "without letting her in when we seen the last of you." So the clever birds saved themselves, and the cat had to return empty-handed. Moral of the story: a villain may disguise himself, but he will not deceive the wise. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.